Hi guys, it's Bailey here with the Denture and Implant Centre. I just wanted to explain and show you guys a little bit about our mill. So after we have designed some dentures digitally, and we've done a try-in with you and we're both satisfied on how everything looks, it's time to finish the dentures or process the dentures. So I will take you to the back and show you a little bit about how that's done. So when we're milling digital dentures, it's basically done in 3 steps. Our first step is to pick a disc that is the same shade we have chosen together. The second step is to get a base puck, which will be the pink acrylic part of your denture, and we'll put those in the mill. Once those come out, it's a very rough outline. First will be the teeth. Second will be the base. Once we have these two, we cut the teeth out, glue them into your base. Now that we've bonded the teeth together, it's time to put it back in the mill for the final step to finish. As you see here, when we take it out of the mill, it is nice and shiny and smooth. There's some little bit of trimming and polishing to do, and it's ready to be delivered to you.